Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Ford Explorer key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Having a well-lit workspace will make this process much easier. This simple DIY task can save you a trip to the dealership and get your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side of your fob and press it. While holding the button, pull out the emergency key. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to damage the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. This ensures proper contact. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot. Once reassembled, test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.